Ironwood Electronics have recently released a new product using a unique universal elastomer for a BGA 1296 pin device. This elastomer is capable of handling 27 GHz bandwidth, and it is very thin, so very low inductance, 0.1 nanohenry, and it requires about 25 grams per ball to compress the device onto the board. So the socket is designed with the clamshell design. The elastomer is inside, and there is a ball guide that uniquely aligns each ball to the elastomer precisely. To use the socket is mounted onto the board with the back plate and a custom cut insulation plate if there are components on the back side of the board. Device with the A1 mark is placed on the A1 mark of the socket. Close the socket and turn the compression screw to compress the device onto the board, thereby makes a full connection. This particular socket is for a 37.5 by 37.5 millimeter BGA device, which is 1 millimeter pitch on a 36 by 36 array. The socket can be used for a quick screening, failure analysis, development of big BGA devices. Thank you.